Alright, we're going to do some beabadoobie. I crashed the car again, same mistakes again, but I don't wanna hurt you. I'm not waiting for you, but I don't want to hurt you. Okay, that's a little bit of the song, and let's talk about what's going on. The song is in the key of F sharp, but you don't need to know that. You just need to remember you're beginning on the 2nd fret. Okay, and we're beginning on the B at the 2nd fret, power chord. So I'm playing the string 5 and string 4. I had the distortion on, so it sounds pretty good. That's your B. And then you shift this shape, which is at your 2nd and 4th frets. You shift it down to the 6th and 5th string. It repeats. And then it goes to the 4th and 6th on your strings A and D. So you have 2 chords on your 5th and 4th, and then 1 chord on your 6th and 5th string. That's pretty much the verse. Then, in the beginning of the song, they only play part of the chorus. They play like the first half of the chorus. I'm not waiting for you, but I don't wanna hurt you. Right, what they're playing there is at the 6th and 8th frets on strings A and D. So it's the same shape we used earlier. It's just at the 6 and the 8 frets. And then it skips your C sharp, and it just goes right to B. Then it goes to C sharp, hangs on there for a minute, and then it goes to F sharp. Then it repeats. And that's the first half of the chorus, which is all they play at the beginning. Then they go back to another verse. I think they play 2 verses. 2 verses in a row. And then, after they play 2 verses, then they go into the full chorus. I don't want to wait for you, something like that. But I don't want to hurt you. And then this is the second half of the chorus. I'm not gonna be around. I don't know what the lyrics are. Together again. And that's how it finishes, by kind of using that same B to F sharp for the hook. Together again. Together again. Together again. So, that second part of the chorus is, again, it's not important that you remember the chord names. What you'll be doing is like looking at the dots on your fretboard and remembering the position. And all we do is go straight down in the whole steps. So we go 6-8, 4-6, 2-4, 2-4 on the low strings. and that repeats. I was just playing the individual notes so you could hear them better. All right, and that's the entire song, except for there is a bridge. So let's cover that next. The bridge happens towards the end of the song, right before the last chorus. Okay, and it starts out. She's like, I don't know what exactly she's singing, but she's like, I'm fine, I'm okay. It's very much like that song Creep by Radiohead. I'm doing fine, I'm okay. And then together again. So you're just playing, this is the C sharp position, which we already played. And there's very little instrumentation during this bridge. So you can just play individual notes, because it's very quiet. Then it goes into the chorus again. So it's just fret on the A string, fret 4, 5, 6, 5. All right, I think each one gets like 4 beats. 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then you're right back with that grunge chorus. Been waiting for grunge to come back for 20 years. It's finally here. I didn't think it would ever come back. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, please subscribe.